What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to Modify Weekly. Today has been a good day because, as you can see, got my alloys repainted in white. Do you think I made the right decision? I do. Also, check that. Oh yeah, hashtag Modify Weekly in that.
We're also fitting the Japspeed Catback exhaust.
2.25 inch. I know what you're going to say. Hey, you should have got a 3-inch exhaust for better gains. But it was 240 quid.
What are you going to do? When you're going underneath your car, you want to get it as high as possible. We've got ramps, but if you've got access to a lift, obviously always use a lift. If you haven't got ramps, you can use jack stands. So he wants to wait because he's driven it about 30 minutes and his exhaust is hot. So we're going to sit
and wait
in mine.
In the second Modify Weekly wagon. Yeah, you know what. Alright, so once you're under your car, yeah, the first bolt is a 12mm, so on a ratchet, and then the second one is about a 14mm, I think, because we got a 15mm here and it's a little bit loose. And you just want to start on doing it. Oh yeah, basically, I was trying to get the top one off before we started filming, see if we could loosen it up, and it ended up snapping off, which is probably a good thing.
WD-40, spray it on your exhaust hangers because they slide on rubbers and it is a bitch to get off. Get as much as you can on there, get them all nice and lubed. So we've got the muffler out the way, slides off hanger number 1, then hanger number 2 there.
Just a quick notice, we used grips to get the first hanger off because it's such a pain in the arse to get over the knuckle.
We WD-40'd them, but they just wouldn't slide on the hangers, so. But yeah. So coming from the back box to the mid box, there's 3 bolts that connect the B pipe to the cat. You've got to get those 3 bolts off. And then the mid box off the hangers, and then the mid box or the B pipe will drop.
Alright, so basically, yeah, these 3 bolts that go onto the cat were so stuck on, like so bad. We managed to get 2 of them off. 1, 2, but this one, the socket just keeps slipping off it, and it's just being an absolute nightmare. Mate, we have been down here for about 2 hours trying to get this one bolt undone. We've got that one and that one undone, but we got a blowtorch, put shit tons of heat on it, and it's literally
So tight!
Just gone, and it's so tight. Oh my god, this is like the best moment of my life. I feel like I've just had a child born, and it's that good a feeling, for real.
So we've managed to get the mid pipe away from the cat. Now we're working on the exhaust hangers that hold the mid pipe on. When we've got those off, we can put the new one on. And there she goes! Oh. Lovely jubbly. Bye bye. And there's our new B pipe. Full stainless from the cat.
The next day.
Alright guys, so here's where we're at. We started doing this exhaust at about 12:30 yesterday, and we finished about 5:30 because it was too wet and it was raining, because we're just basically pussies, yeah. And here we are today, Sunday, it's about 11 o'clock, and the exhaust didn't fit to the cat. The connection was too big on the exhaust I bought. So we are currently drilling out the holes to try and get the bolts through. We've been at this for about 2.5 hours, including last night. Nightmare.
After you've got that bolt lined up, that bolt lined up, and that bolt lined up, you need to bang your old studs out and put your new studs in that come with your kit. If they're too long, then you need to cut them down to size. Ours are too long, it hits the back of the cap before we can get the bolt on. That top one right there. So we need to cut them down, and then we'll be able to get it on and do them up. So while Sue's down there working on the 3 bolts that connect to the cat, I've connected the rear section via the 2 hangers up there and there, it lines up there, and then we can begin to bolt that on. But after you've done those 3 bolts up over there, you can come up to these bolts here, the 13mm on either side, and it ratchets with the springs that compress the 2 flanges together. And after you've done that, pretty much done. Full exhaust system is done.
So it's been about 8 hours since we first started doing this exhaust, and it's finally finished.
When I start her up. So we've got it started, we've got it all on, everything's no rattles. Just going to leave it to warm up for a bit before we go out for its maiden voyage on its new exhaust. So we got it done, took about 8 hours, 9 hours to get it done, but we got it done eventually.
Over 2 days.
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday job, but sounds good, looks good.
A lot of adjustment had to be made in it, a lot of drilling had to be done, and fiddling around to get the bolts through, get it through the hangers, because it just didn't line up very well.
But he's happy, it's on, it works, it sounds nice.
Doesn't leak, doesn't rattle, and yeah, it just sounds good now.
So, see you next time, we're out.
See ya.